Meaty, saucy, and absolutely delicious. Hey guys, it's Merlin here, and today on Savory Thoughts we are making basically everyone's favorite recipe, especially here in our home. So today's recipe is none other than this delicious pasta Bolognese recipe. It is not a true, authentic Italian recipe, however, it is our version. So to begin, guys, you want to start off by browning your beef. And for this, we are using 80% lean ground chuck beef. Once your beef has browned, you go ahead and add in your Mirepoix, which is a combination of celery, carrots, and onion. Also add in 8 ounces of mushroom crumble. You can purchase this at your local grocery store. Be sure to mix well and add in your diced red bell pepper. You don't have to use red bell pepper, you can use any color bell pepper you'd like. Mix well to combine. Continue to mix well so that the ingredients are well incorporated. Go ahead and cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. Next, add in your Worcestershire sauce, about a 1/4 cup, and crushed tomatoes, about 28 ounces. Mix well to combine. And next, add in your garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Continue to mix well to combine and add in your dry herbs. Then add in your tomato paste. Now this is going to give it that rich, deep red color that we love in our pasta sauce. Once you're done adding in the tomato paste, go ahead and stir it so that the tomato paste starts to break down. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of tightly packed brown sugar. The sugar will help balance out the savory flavor. For additional freshness, we are also adding in fresh parsley to this beef Bolognese. And we cannot forget the wine. Now for this, I actually recommend that you use wine that you like to drink or a good quality cooking wine. Once you're done, mix everything together and cover it and allow it to simmer on medium-low heat. Meanwhile, go ahead and start cooking your pasta. As your pasta cooks, don't forget to stir your beef Bolognese so that it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Next, add in 1/4 cup heavy cream. Now this is going to transform this sauce into a delicious pasta, rich texture pasta that the family will be raving about for days. Mix that well. Now once you're done mixing it, go ahead and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes on low heat. Meanwhile, drain your pasta and plate. When you are ready, serve your beef Bolognese with your pasta, garlic bread, and fresh grated Parmesan cheese, and garnish it with fresh herbs. The full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com. It is absolutely free, and we will also add the recipe to the description box below. Please, if this is your first time, we would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Cheers!